Well, for so long, people have been thinking we have to work upon confidence. Then we would be capable to speak fluently and by confidently. But now the question comes from where confidence comes by the knowledge only. If you have got much more knowledge about one particular topic, so at that time you would be capable to spread your own knowledge by front of thousands of people. If you have got knowledge, so you would be capable to speak fluently. But now the question from where we can get the knowledge? From YouTube, from books? No. If you have got that dedication, that power to learn something from each and everything, so you can learn each and everything from anything.
You would be confident, you would be fluent, but if you don't have knowledge, you are nothing. Knowledge is confidence, knowledge is skill, knowledge is the thing that is going to make your words in front of thousand peoples. There are two philosophies of knowledge. First is rationalism and second one is empiricism. First says that knowledge is prior. You have to take knowledge from everyone and from every book and from every single person that is present in your life. But second says experience is knowledge. By experience you are going to judge, you are going to be judged, and that is what knowledge.
What do I believe? What is knowledge exactly? Just as he mentioned that, I would like to go with it also. It's all about your experience, which you have been through. Okay, so if we talk about that general knowledge, and if we talk about that which are everyone is doing right now, if you are educated, you will get a better job in your life. But it is exactly right or wrong? I think so. It's wrong, because you work upon your knowledge. You should work upon your knowledge where you will use it. If you are thinking like whatever I've done in my 10th class, which I'm right now I'm using it, I don't think so. So if I got that thought where should I have known about it, means whatever I'm doing right now, it will be work upon it in my future. So it would be better for me, and it would be better for others also.
Well, confidence has no competition, but a lot of people face problem in being confident. But I do believe being confident is very easy if you are being knowledgeable. Knowledge is the house plant. Knowledge is the generator of the confidence. If you want to be confident in front of everyone, you need knowledge about the things. Knowledge is something which is infinite. Now the question comes, which type of knowledge we should gain? And in my perspective, I do believe getting the knowledge about being a good human being, getting the knowledge about living your life fruitfully or living your life with your best is the best knowledge and the knowledge we should get. And it is the most important knowledge, I would say, we should gain in ourselves so that we can be confident and even we can live our life in the best way.
Education. Education doesn't mean what we do exactly in a primary and secondary level. It's all about what you have. You just need to present that thing in your society, because education is that way if you use, so you can change your life.
Keep going, keep growing. But how you can grow yourself? By the help of education. As we all know that, as everybody mentioned, that confidence can be gained very easily. But by gaining the knowledge, it takes a lot of time for gaining the knowledge. I am going to tell you the ways to increase your knowledge. The first thing, you should be a good observer. If you people are good observer, so you can learn from anything, whether it's chair or any kind of a camera or any person, you can learn from them. The second thing, if you need to gain your knowledge, so you should carry the learning attitude. If you are going to carry the learning attitude, so you can learn anything. You can attain the knowledge of everything, whatever is in front of you. What do I believe? Learning knowledge can be very easy if you are carrying the learning attitude.
Guys, you know that brain, the most powerful weapon of this world. But that weapon will only work when you really gonna attain knowledge in a better way. Because when you gonna create yourself in a better, or you gonna create knowledge buy books, when you're gonna read books, when you're gonna read or watch many videos, then you're gonna get knowledge. And that knowledge would be helpful for each aspect. You're gonna go for any work, any competitive exam or exam of your class or anywhere, wherever you're going. You're gonna be considered as a leading one because you have got knowledge, and that knowledge is something leading one. So I believe that your life never stops teaching you, so you should even not stop learning from your life.
Okay, well delivered, everybody. Now, I would just like to raise a question. As we all have discussed that knowledge is very important, the benefits of knowledge, and everything about knowledge. Not everything, but we have discussed about knowledge. Now, the question comes, what can be the best way of getting knowledge? Anybody?
As Amrit said, what can be the best way for improving our knowledge? First of all, when we read about a particular topic, the knowledge about that particular topic, so first of all, feel that topic. By feeling, it would be definitely to grow your knowledge.
If we talk about how to gain our knowledge, it is more about experience, in my opinion, because having experience in a particular way which make you productive throughout your life and be humble and helpful for others is the best way you can use your knowledge with.
So how we can obtain the knowledge? What I believe, if we want to obtain the knowledge, so we should think. So we should live in the particular society. We should live that types of situations where we can learn a lot of things, and we should do the travelings, because traveling is the help us to improve the mindset, improve the thoughts changing. It can change the thoughts. So we should do the traveling, and we should obtain the experience as well as.
In it, our government plays a very vital role because they open many NGOs and place where our elder can do study, because they are the only one who will vote and choose a right person for our nation. So that's it.
What do I believe? The best way of attaining the knowledge can be you only. How you can be the best way? You should carry the attitude of hungerness. If you people are passionate about something, then you can attain knowledge of anything. Just suppose if I am passionate about cricket, so I can attain the every single knowledge of cricket. Just we need to carry the hunger attitude of learning something. And the second thing, what do I believe? As I mentioned earlier, that observer can be the best way to attain the knowledge.
Knowledge without wisdom is one of the sin of Gandhi, because it is the knowledge because of people are. It is the knowledge because of people are making creative in their life. Knowledge makes their life more accessible and make other people too affordable such things which they want in their life. So knowledge they gain. If knowledge is without wisdom, then people will having a negative knowledge. Like you can see that the Osama bin Laden have knowledge. World level, but he was using in a wrong way, and so you can see in India it was Abdul Kalam who was not able to afford the knowledge because of financial issue, but he was never give up to gaining the knowledge because of the books, and he gave the he is the missile man of the India because of knowledge. So even in elder age, people are learning through the knowledge to have their life busy and make creative and give the world good views to develop their nation.
Okay. Don't you think that we should have the better knowledge within ourselves, as we are living in a country where there are a lot of people, they have a better knowledge within their self. If we have knowledge, we can give the answer to someone who are manipulating us, who are making the fun of us. So we should have a better knowledge within ourselves so we can fight with those people who are manipulating in this world. And how you can get the knowledge? Every single minute you are learning the things. So you should gain the knowledge from that things. First of all, read novels, read books, and try to get know more about that thing, why these things are happening, what is the motive behind that. So you can get the knowledge from these techniques.
Okay, I want to also talk about how to attain knowledge. So I want to talk very practically. Yeah, hunger indeed help us out to get knowledge. But there is a very simple rule, what we called 4 wife, 1 husband rule, in which there is 1 H that shows how, and then 4 W that shows what, where, why, and who. In which thing that you can learn any concept by just putting or searching that thing out from the aspects of these things, 4 wife and 1 husband rule, and by which you can learn anything.
Well, there are a lot of ways to gain knowledge, but I would like to go some of them. So, what do I believe? It's first is experience where you are working and where you are learning. Second is books, but there are certain books. It can be a knowledgeable book, but if we talk about this only books, there are all books. There is no knowledge. If you are reading kind of comedies, comic book, it would be not knowledgeable for you. And there are another things. It's traveling, as he mentioned that this is a best way to get knowledge, because if you do travel, so you have to talk with other person where you would get the other's thought as well.
Yeah, before embarking my answer, I would like to tell you that is life. This life nowadays is a race. The race of people who are into matrix. The race of the people who are being manipulated or influenced by the social media. Now the question comes, as I asked the question only, that what is the right way of attaining knowledge, or what is the best way of attaining knowledge? I do believe social media is not the right way of attaining knowledge, because it can give you negative knowledge or half knowledge, which is very harmful. But what do I believe, or what do I conceive? That can be the truth too, that getting knowledge or attaining knowledge from the books can be the better way to attain knowledge, or a person can become full of knowledge by just reading books. Because people who are of 50 years old, or they are writing their whole life's knowledge in just a book of 50 page or 100 page. So isn't it a opportunity, or isn't it a very nice thing that we are getting a book? I think the best way of getting knowledge is a book. Well, ending this discussion, knowledge is a game changer, and the people who are having knowledge will never bag or will never become a loser. Because if a person is having knowledge, he can survive anywhere. It does not matter what the circumstances. So that person will under no circumstance give up. So knowledge is very powerful. Use it in a wise way. Thank you so much.